So here I am, Sunday afternoon, crap to cream, right? And this is real crap, this, right? So this car, this is a 74 and it's a left hand to right hand conversion. So it's got this fiberglass dashboard in it, and this fiberglass dashboard is held in with a multitude of 6mm bolts. So I found 5 of them, and they're all up the back. You're right, you can't get to them unless you take the gauges out, the vents, the glove box. You can't get to them. And then the last one I came to, which is behind this gauge here, right, this is a bolt to behold. I shit you not, and I don't swear regularly, right? I have now resorted to this. Hopefully you can see this. This is a reciprocating saw. I have tried every tool in the toolbox. I've ground down my mole grips. I have put long nose pliers on there with clamps on them to pull, to tighten on the thread to try and get hold of this blasted bolt. It's the last one, right? So here I am. Hopefully this now will work. This has got to work. It has come free. Oh yes. Oh yes. What a nightmare. Oh my god. So there you go. Right, so yeah, the last one was in here. So yes, hacksaw, rotary hacksaw, reciprocating saw, and that's all that I could get it with. And this is all because I want to replace the vinyl, because I've got to take the windscreen out and I'm going to replace the vinyl. And I've got a new wiring loom because they've done wiring in here for the alarm and it's all over the place. There's bits and pieces all over the place. So I was just over it, and I thought I'd just film this just to see what it is like. Alright, so that's the end of that. I'll post this now. The things we do. And this is pleasure. Yeah, bye now. Oh, thanks to subscribers and yeah, all the comments and things. They're great. Love it. I love it to bits, and it makes it all worthwhile. So yeah, we'll see how we go now. Onward and forward to the next exciting adventure.